Assalamualaikum and very good morning to Dr. Rizana. Today we are going to make a video presentation for assignment CHM 301. The compound of interest that we choose is vanillin. And before we start, I would like to introduce to our group members. The first one is Tuan Nur Akilah Natasha binti Tuan Sabri, student ID 2023230292. The second one is me myself, Nur Izzatul Fakihah binti Jamaluddin, student ID 2023827404. And the last one of our group members is Wan Nur Atira binti Wan Muhammad Razi, student ID 2023675024.
Hi, my name is Tuan Nur Akilah Natasha binti Tuan Sabri. Today, I want to talk about what is vanillin. As we know, vanillin is an organic compound that is primarily responsible for the characteristic aroma and flavor of vanilla. It naturally occurs in the seed pods of the vanilla orchid, which is a tropical climbing orchid plant. Vanillin can also be found in smaller amounts in other plants, such as cloves and certain types of pine trees. So, in a more detailed of a depiction, vanillin consists of a benzene ring substituted with three functional groups: a hydroxy group negative OH at the para position, an aldehyde group negative CHO at the meta position, and a methyl group negative OCH3 at the alter position relative to the hydroxy group. The IUPAC name of vanillin is 4-hydroxy-3-methoxybenzaldehyde, while its common name is simply vanillin. Vanillin contains several functional groups: an aldehyde group, negative CHO, a hydroxy group, negative OH, and the aldehyde group, specifically a methyl group, negative OCH3. It belongs to the homolog series of aromatic aldehydes due to the presence of the aldehyde functional groups attached to an aromatic benzene ring.
Next, we move to the physical properties. The first one is the molecular formula, which is C6H5NH2. The second one is the molar mass, which is 93.13 gram per mole. The third one is appearance, which is oily, colorless to slightly yellow liquid. For the odor, amine light, which is smell like fishy and unpleasant smell. The fifth one is melting point, which is negative 6.2 degrees Celsius. Next, for the boiling point, is 184.1 degrees Celsius. The second one of the properties is the density, which is 1.0217 gram per cm cube at 20 degrees Celsius. Next, for the solubility in water, it is slightly soluble. And the last one is solubility in organic solvent, which is miscible with ethanol, ether, and acetone. Next, for the chemical properties, the first one is the basicity. Aniline is a weak base due to resonance decolorization of the lone pair on nitrogen into the aromatic ring, which reduces its availability to acid proton. The second one is acylation. It reacts with acid chloride or anhydride, such as acetyl chloride, to form acetanilide, a common protecting group in synthetic chemistry. The third one is oxidation, where aniline can be oxidized to ozobenzene, quinone, imines, or polymery products under strong oxidizing condition. And the last one is combustion. It burns with a sooty flame, indicating a high carbon to hydrogen ratio.
The benefits of vanillin. Now, vanillin is a very useful chemical compound in the industry, especially in the food and beverage industry. It has many benefits and has been shown to offer antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and neuroprotective effect by multiple studies. Now, what are the uses of vanillin? Vanillin is usually used as a flavoring, in food and beverages such as coffee, cakes, cookies, and others. It is also used as a scent in products like candles, perfumes, and other cosmetic products. Vanillin is also usually used in labs as a sample chemical for researches.
There are three chemical reactions of aniline. The first one is acylation, which is the type of reaction is nucleophilic acid substitution. The reagent that we use is acetic chloride or acetic anhydride. The purpose for this reaction is to protect the NH2 group, and the mechanism for this reaction is the lone pair on end attack the carbonic carbon of acid chloride, then tetrahedral intermediate, then chloride leave and acetanilide form. The second one is nitration, which is the type of reaction is electrophilic aromatic substitution. The reagent that we use is HNO3 plus H2SO4. The third one is bromination, which is the type of reaction is electrophilic aromatic substitution. The reagent that we use is Br2, and it happens easily at room temperature due to strong activation by NH2.
My name is Tuan Nur Akila Natasha Pidetwa Sabri. I will make the conclusion about this video. In summary, vanillin is a key aromatic aldehyde that is responsible for the characteristic flavor of vanilla, with a rich history of natural use and synthetic production, serving multiple roles in food, pharmaceutical, and fragrance industries.